How to log in CVS Workday account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for CVS Workday and further tap on this particular link shown on the screen, that is careers-myworkdayjobs.com. Now go ahead and tap on the sign in option on the top right of your screen. You will then be led to the login portal of CVS, so go ahead and enter your email address and your password and tap on the sign in button, and with this you will be logged into CVS Workday account. And if you do not have an account, tap on the create account option and create a new account. And just in case, if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the forgot your password option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your password and log in further. So this is how you can log in to CVS Workday account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.